Young people with ADHD have a couple of difficulties. One is a difficulty with emotional regulation, so they can get very upset about things that would not normally upset someone else. You can also become completely obsessional by things that wouldn't affect other people.
ADHD presents differently in many different people, whether that's in girls and boys or the presentations of ADHD that young people struggle with. But it's quite common for people with ADHD to then become aware of how they're struggling, and it can really impact their mental health as a result of that. Private tuition and homeschooling can really help a young person who is struggling with ADHD, particularly while they're coming to grips with learning about their ADHD and finding ways and means for them to manage that. Lionheart tutors are fantastic with our clients who have ADHD and supporting them in a one-to-one learning environment, because what they're able to do is create an environment around the young person that suits them and their needs. So whether that's having regular rest breaks, finding a way of learning that's maybe different to what you would have in a typical classroom, and also inspiring them to enjoy what they're learning about that really supports young people with ADHD. Just having ADHD doesn't mean that a child isn't able to learn. People with ADHD have many different talents and skills and character traits as well.
The way in which a young person thinks and the way in which they learn and put it down on paper for passing exams is where Lionheart comes to the fore. Instead of saying my child is different, all that we need to do is find a different way in which to teach them and unlock the puzzle.